Hello and welcome to another update video about Polygon. Yes, some of you have asked for a Polygon update, but I have to say not really anything happened. Yeah, the market is simply moving sideways here, just above this red line, which is the next structural support. And it's the previous swing low here from the 6th of September, around 35.5 cents. Yeah, I mean, Polygon hasn't joined any of the recent rallies in the sector, so it's quite weak. And that's also why, I'm not covering it that much, because there isn't anything new really to say about it. It's pretty boring. We have seen, it's possible that this move down is a complex correction, which we can label a WXYXZ pattern, WXYXZ. Unfortunately, the recent rebranding has destroyed some charts, but yeah, there are longer chart history charts still. We could still see this here as a wave 2 decline, but overall, we need to see some kind of a first upside reaction, any kind of upside momentum. And we need to see a break above initial resistance, something that can give us a hint that the market is trying to set up for some higher prices. But for now, it's just dancing, just trolling support down there. And what I would need to see as a first indication that a low is in, I need to see a break above initial resistance. But even if we break above initial resistance, which is located between 38.9 and 42.1 cents, we need to see how the pattern develops, because I would then check in an alternative scenario that we are moving in a larger B wave. So there are two scenarios, but both at the moment bearish, until we see a 5-wave move up followed by a 3-wave pullback. Best would be for this chart to form one more low or two. Just take out this August low, yeah, because anything from the August low is just a mess. As you can see, 3-wave rally and another 3-wave rally and nothing. Okay, so best is to put a clean low in place and then maybe build from there and form a 5-wave move up. Just a pattern that shows that we're dealing with higher highs and higher lows. But we are far away from that right now. We're simply moving sideways. So at the moment, the idea is that we probably go a little bit lower. At least there is no strength at the moment. Any break above 42.1 cents is the first indication we might go higher. Then we can observe that a little bit more. And then we have to pay attention to the upper resistance area, which starts at 47 cents. Then we've got 51.3 cents, 55.9 and 63.2. But it would really be better to just take out at least briefly the August low and then build from there with maybe a new upside impulse. Looking at the the short term, I don't see any kind of long trade setup here at the moment, right? We're just hovering around previous lows. But what I could imagine could happen is maybe something like this, where we're forming an A, B, C structure in this yellow B wave before we go down lower. That's just something to watch. We haven't even tested resistance really. Okay, here, yes, on the 7th of October. But yeah, well, it's just sort of just dancing the previous, just above the previous low, just on that red line. So there isn't much more to say. The only thing is, what would be next support if we break below that red line? And that is a bit tricky due to the overall structure here. But if we have really topped in yellow wave B on the 12th, 13th of September, then the 100% extension would be an ideal target. And it is located at around 21.5 cents, 21.5. The only thing is, I'm not sure how reliable this wick is, because based on this move to the upside here in August, I base the downside target. But that is different from exchange to exchange. So take that with a pinch of salt. Overall, we have to be patient here as well. No clear bottoming signal in place. So I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.